Remember Windows Phone? For a few years, Microsoft genuinely challenged iOS and Android with a gorgeous tile-based interface and some seriously ambitious hardware before the platform quietly faded away. In 2026, it's long discontinued. But let's look back at 5 devices that define the era. Let's get into it. New to TechBee, we cover the tech and gear that actually matters, past and present. Honest reviews, real deep dives, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Microsoft Lumia 950 XL was the genuine flagship swan song, Microsoft's last true attempt at a premium Windows phone before the platform was effectively abandoned. The standout was the genuinely ambitious Continuum feature, which let you plug the phone into a dock and use it genuinely like a desktop PC on a monitor with keyboard and mouse, a real glimpse of a phone as your only computer, future that was, at the time, ahead of its era. The large, sharp AMOLED display delivered genuinely vivid visuals, and the capable camera with Zeiss optics captured genuinely impressive photos. For the time, the clean, tile-based Windows 10 mobile interface was genuinely distinctive and smooth, and the premium build felt solid despite a polycarbonate shell. Sadly, the genuinely thin app ecosystem, with many major apps missing or abandoned, was the platform's fatal flaw. Today, it's a genuine historical curiosity and collector's piece rather than daily driver, unsupported, and unable to run modern apps or receive updates. For anyone curious about Windows Phone's final, most ambitious flagship, the Lumia 950 XL remains the most feature-ambitious, most what could have been pick on this list. The Lumia 950 XL remains a fascinating look at Windows Phone's most ambitious flagship and its Continuum vision. Check the link below if you want to explore this piece of mobile history for yourself, a genuine what could have been. The Nokia Lumia 1020 was the genuine camera phone icon, famous for a genuinely audacious 41-megapixel sensor that made it one of the most talked about camera phones ever released. The standout was the genuinely massive PureView camera sensor, which delivered oversampled photos with genuine detail and allowed lossless digital zoom years before it became common. A real technical marvel that camera enthusiasts still discuss today. The distinctive, genuinely colorful polycarbonate design was instantly recognizable, and the dedicated camera grip accessory added a genuine physical shutter button and extra battery. The Windows Phone 8 interface was genuinely clean and fast for its time, and Nokia's build quality felt genuinely premium and durable. The camera bump was genuinely enormous for the era, a bold design choice that turned heads. Today, it's genuinely unsupported, can't run modern apps, and its cellular capabilities have aged out of most networks, making it a pure nostalgia piece. For anyone who remembers or wants to discover, the phone that redefined mobile photography and ambitions, the Lumia 1020 remains the most camera iconic, most technically daring pick on this list. The Lumia 1020 remains one of the most fascinating camera phones ever made. Check the link below if you'd like to own a piece of that photography history, a genuine icon of mobile camera ambition. The Microsoft Lumia 640 LTE was the genuine budget-friendly everyman's Windows phone, bringing the platform's clean interface to a genuinely accessible price point for a wider audience. The standout was the genuine combination of a smooth, capable Windows phone experience and a truly affordable price, which let far more people try the platform's distinctive tile-based interface without a flagship price tag, a real accessibility win at the time. The decent display and dependable performance handled genuine, everyday tasks like calls, texts, and basic apps smoothly, and the solid battery life lasted genuine full days. The lightweight, comfortable polycarbonate design was genuinely easy to carry, and the inclusion of a full year of Office 365 was a genuinely nice bonus for the price. It represented Microsoft's genuine push to make Windows Phone mainstream rather than niche. Today, it's genuinely obsolete, unsupported, and can't meaningfully browse the modern web or run current apps, existing purely as a budget-tier relic of the platform's midlife push. For anyone curious about Windows Phone's mainstream ambitions, the Lumia 640 remains the most accessible, most everyman pick on this list. The Lumia 640 LTE represents Windows Phone's push to go mainstream at an accessible price. Check the link below if you want to revisit this budget-era piece of mobile history. The everyman's Windows phone. The Nokia Lumia 1520 was the genuine phablet pioneer, one of the first large-screen Windows phones, arriving right as the bigger phone trend was taking off across the industry. The standout was the genuinely large, high-resolution 6-inch display, one of the biggest screens on a Windows phone at the time, which delivered a genuinely immersive, spacious canvas for the tile interface, media, and the phone's capable camera features, a real bold bet on bigger being better. The strong PureView camera captured genuinely impressive photos. Building on Nokia's imaging reputation and the powerful specs for the era kept the Windows Phone 8 interface running genuinely smoothly. The premium polycarbonate build felt genuinely solid and colorful, and the large battery matched the big screen's demands. It represented Nokia's genuine ambition to compete directly with the earliest large-screen Android phones. Today, it's genuinely unsupported and can't run modern software, standing as a historical snapshot of the early phablet wars. For anyone interested in the early days of big-screen phones from the Windows Phone side, the Lumia 1520 remains the most phablet pioneering, most big-screen ambitious pick on this list. The Lumia 1520 was Nokia's bold entry into the early phablet wars. Check the link below if you want to revisit this big-screen piece of Windows Phone history. A genuine phablet pioneer. Closing out the list with the HP Elite X3, the genuine final flagship curiosity, a business-focused Windows 10 mobile flagship that arrived when the platform's fate was already effectively sealed. The standout was the genuinely enterprise-grade ambition combining flagship-tier specs, a large display, and continuum desktop docking with HP's business pedigree to target corporate users who needed genuine mobile productivity, a real last-stand attempt for Windows Phone in the business world. The premium, genuinely rugged build reflected HP's business hardware background, and the strong specs for the era handled continuum and everyday tasks smoothly. The large, sharp display suited genuine productivity work, and the security-focused features targeted enterprise buyers specifically. It arrived genuinely tragically, just as Microsoft was quietly deprioritizing the platform, making it something of a forgotten footnote despite its ambition. Today, it's genuinely unsupported and obsolete, a niche collector's curiosity for anyone fascinated by Windows Phone's final business-focused gasp. For anyone who wants to explore the platform's very last major hardware push, the HP Elite X3 remains the most business ambitious, most bittersweet finale pick on this list. The HP Elite X3 was Windows Phone's business-focused last stand. Check the reference link below to read more about this bittersweet final flagship, a genuine forgotten footnote in mobile history. Almost done. If this trip down memory lane brought back some Windows Phone nostalgia, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. Reference and purchase links for these devices are in the description where available for anyone curious to explore this piece of mobile history further. If you remember Windows Phone fondly or are discovering it for the first time, let us know your favorite Lumia below. Subscribe to TechBee for more honest tech content every week. See you in the next one.